Okay, so the first thing we're going to be discussing is what the driver is reporting. The driver is reporting low power and audible miss. Now, the audible miss is something that you can hear really easy. The first thing that we do is a visual inspection. During our visual inspection, we found signs of coolant being pushed out of the coolant reservoir. Now, you can see dry coolant around the bottle. Those are just all signs that the pressure of whatever is happening inside this engine is going into the cooling system. We have excessive pressure in the cooling system. Now, that's really an indicator of a head gasket or a bad head, but we're going to troubleshoot everything above that before we go ahead and pinpoint the problem.